Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is G89 Aviation, where we're all about aviation and travel, just different sceneries in different airports around the world. So today we're flying from Ho Chi Minh City to Doha. It was a beautiful flight, but before that, bit of a story time. Let's rewind. So one of our luggage was caught up in the conveyor system and it was completely ripped off. This happened after we had checked in. So we had to go back to the check-in counter, collect our bag and all our items, and we had to buy this kind of a temporary box for travel. Luckily, we had travel insurance and this was compensated. So this is something you should consider every time you're traveling abroad. Just get a travel insurance. Us cost us like £30, but we were able to get back like 300. Yeah, so always think about travel insurance. Ho Chi Minh International Airport, also known as Tan Son Nhat International Airport. It is the busiest airport in Vietnam and one of the busiest in Southeast Asia, actually. A bit of history about this airport. It dates back to World War II and it was originally built by the French colonial authorities and it was used by the United States Air Force during the Vietnam War. The airport is located just 6 kilometers, that's 3.7 miles north of downtown Ho Chi Minh City. That makes it very accessible from downtown. The airport offers travelers a taste of Vietnamese culture with various shops and restaurants selling local delicacies and souvenirs. In my own opinion, it's a great place to experience the country's cuisine and traditions before leaving. Liam, twende. Ho Chi Minh International Airport has two runways that can handle large aircrafts, including the wide-body planes such as the 777 and the A350. There's numerous airlines operating at this airport, which connect Ho Chi Minh City to destinations around the world. And major carriers such as Vietnam Airlines, Vietjet Air, and Bamboo Airways use this airport as a hub. In today's video, we're flying Qatar Airways on board the Boeing 777 all the way to Doha. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the night scenery of Ho Chi Minh City and the lights, as well as got a chance to get a glimpse of some lightning. Yeah.